If you're searching for a place where nature's raw beauty reigns supreme, Glacier National Park should be at the top of your list. Number 1. Glacier National Park. Imagine standing at the edge of a pristine lake, with snow-capped mountains reflecting perfectly in its crystal-clear waters. This is Glacier National Park. Tucked away in the rugged beauty of Montana, this park is an adventurous paradise. Hike along the famous Going to the Sun Road, where every twist and turn offers breathtaking views of glaciers, alpine meadows, and cascading waterfalls. For those who crave solitude, explore the less-traveled trails leading to hidden gems like Iceberg Lake, where floating icebergs create a surreal, otherworldly scene. Wildlife enthusiasts will be thrilled to spot grizzly bears, mountain goats, and elusive wolves in their natural habitat. Whether you're kayaking on Lake McDonald, camping under a star-studded sky, or simply soaking in the awe-inspiring vistas, Glacier National Park is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences at every corner. If you're searching for a place where nature's raw beauty reigns supreme, Glacier National Park should be at the top of your list.